Hi there, Precious. This is Precious. She's a 3-year-old tortie who's available here at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society. She's awaiting adoption, awaiting that right family to come in and adopt her. She's a playful little tortie, very sweet. Sometimes when the other cats come by, she gives them a little swat, but I think that's just because there's a little bit of a stress level here with all these cats in here, but she pretty much will stay by herself. She'll find a quiet spot, and she doesn't cause any trouble. She got a cute little face. She's up to date on all of her shots, and she's been waiting here at the shelter for a while, so we're hoping that we can get her a home right away. And that, my friends, is Precious, available at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society.